up, you guys? It's your girl DJ DHURT, and this is my first video on YouTube, and I'm basically introducing myself. So basically I'm just gonna be letting you guys in on my world, letting y'all know what I have to offer to YouTube, and I'm just trying to view where all the real females at and all the real guys at. I'm not gonna call y'all the other words because y'all not even that. Y'all are queens and y'all are kings. Okay, so let me get into it. So basically, I'm just gonna basically let y'all know who I am. My name is Destiny, but you guys are gonna be calling me DJ DHURT. Please and thank you, because that's what this channel is gonna be based on. So I've been DJing for about 3 years now. I've been producing, making beats for about, I want to say, I started in October, and then I've been doing makeup since probably I was like 15, no, probably not even 15, probably like 13. I've been into makeup for a very long time. So with that being said, I'm into fashion. I love fashion, so I'll definitely be doing a lot of fashion hauls, as well as collaborations with a lot of your favorite YouTubers. I also will be doing pranks too, because y'all, pranks are just so fun. Like, I just love pranks. Like, I love pranking people. I love getting into all that, and I know y'all love to see that. But anywho, so basically my channel is really based on like a young female entrepreneur just out here in Atlanta trying to just grind, you know what I mean? Like, I'm multi-talented, but I became multi-talented off of the mindset that I have, and that's $1 million mindset. I'm trying to make $1 million this year. And I was saying this way before B Simone, I love her, but I was saying this way before B Simone, you know, all that stuff. Like, I want to hit $1 million this year, like, period, okay? And if you know how to hit $1 million, then it's to have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 different ways of income. So with that being said, I am a DJ, you know, I do producing, I do makeup, I'm into fashion, and you know, I'm doing YouTube. So I'm basically just trying to, like, you know what I mean, really just pour all that back into the community, and you get what I'm saying, show y'all my journey as I go, because this is something that a lot of people have been asking me to do. I've had a lot of young women, all types of ages, really, like, ask me, like, how did you get started in DJing, or how do you DJ, and all that stuff. And I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do all of that stuff. Like, I have my DDJ SR2 right here. My DJ laptop just broke. However, I will be uploading some mixes. I will be uploading my SoundCloud. I will be putting my SoundCloud link in there for you guys to listen to my mixes, as well as, you know, how I manifested my apartment at the age of, you guys will find that out soon. When you guys keep watching me, y'all find out, you know, how old I am and how I got to, you know, live in Atlanta in a nice area and stuff like that, you know, where I'm from, and just my upbringing, just everything in general. As you guys continue to watch, like, subscribe, and just honestly just tune in. I think I want to call you guys Bandit, because, you know, my name is DJ DHURT, so I want y'all to have something to do with, like, I don't know, like Band-Aid, or I don't know, it's something tough. I like Bandit, like the Bandit gang or something like that. I don't know, it's up to y'all. Y'all can call yourself whatever, but to my subscribers already, it's only like 4 or 5, but to y'all, thank y'all. I appreciate y'all for honestly just seeing. I haven't even promoted my YouTube yet, so for y'all to just have even clicked and just, you know, wanted to stick it out with me is crazy, and I just appreciate it so much. And I am coming. When I say I'm coming for it all, I'm coming for it all, and I'm here to just, I'm telling y'all, like, I got a lot of knowledge from a lot of different people, like from people in the music industry, just to, like, I mean, like, full-blown conversations with an A&R from Interscope, a manager from Interscope, like, just like I've taken a music industry class right now, so I'm learning everything about licensing and royalty checks and just everything that you need to know to secure yourself in the music industry. I know, and I feel like that's a lot of the stuff that I want to get back into my YouTube channel as well. Like I don't want that class just to be an investment of, you know, me having class. Like I'm definitely gonna put y'all on game too, because if I just spent for a class, y'all are definitely gonna get that free knowledge. I'm not about to sit here and try to make y'all pay to get that, none of that stuff, because at the end of the day, I'm not one of them type of people that's gonna hold back because, you know what I mean, I don't want somebody else to be better. No, we need to elevate. We need more people elevating. We need more female producers. We need more female DJs. We need more male makeup artists. We need diversity in every area in life, like in every area. Like we need to be buying land. Okay, y'all not ready for that conversation. We need to be buying our land back. Get into it. But yeah, so y'all, I'm just here to tell me anything that y'all want to see. Honestly, like I'm here. Like I just told y'all everything that I did, because with that information, I want you guys to help me come up with the topic and do all that stuff and everything like that. But I'm excited. No, I'm just kidding. But no, I'm really excited, y'all, because it's been a minute. Like I've always kept saying, like, I want to do YouTube, y'all. I'm trying to do YouTube, but I just never. I'm like, if I post a video, like this video might get 1 view, or this video might get. And like at this point, I don't care anymore. Like I feel like it's so much that people need to see that so many people aren't touching bases on. And I feel like you have all these different people that with all this clout and stuff like that, and it's like they have all this clout and they're being so negative, or they're like switching the agenda, or it's like it's always something, or they're trying to get something out to people. Like no, y'all need some more real people on YouTube. Like y'all need that real. Okay, but whew, I'm tired. But yeah, so y'all, yeah, just stay tuned. It's a lot in store for you guys, and I want to say that I love y'all. I know what y'all going through, but I love y'all. But nobody cares about you guys. I care about you guys, and stay tuned. I'm out, y'all. It's your girl DJ DHURT, and I am out. Bye. Like, comment, and subscribe.